Hey Manohar this side. Welcome to this brand new webinar where you'll be learning exactly how to start and grow a successful faceless Instagram page and make money from it. Even if you have zero knowledge about Instagram. By the end of this entire webinar you will know exactly how I used to grow my brand and clients' pages without spending single rupee on ads, and reached millions of audience within 4 weeks. In fact, it's highly recommended to sit alone and take notes. Because this webinar is about to show you how I cracked the code to reach millions of people and made consistent income for myself. By the time you finish webinar till the end. We also have a bonus which worth 40,000 rupees. Before we jump into webinar, let me introduce myself in 50 seconds. I am a trader, ethical hacker, coach and digital marketing expert. I have been working with India's top premium brands and international coaches to grow their business organically. I quit my 9-to-5 job in March 28, 2024. Because I know I'm capable of earning myself through freelancing. Unexpectedly I brought clients one by one within 7 days of quitting my job and signed high-ticket clients making 1.5 lakh per month. Yes, if I'm doing this you can do this too. Without wasting further, let's start the shit you're waiting for. Time is equals to money. So, how do you create one? Which niche you need to choose? Which content you should create? How much time does it takes? Answer is simple. You can choose any industry. I highly recommend you to choose health, wealth and relationship niche page. And you only need 30 minutes in a day to go viral within 30 days. Step 1. Create a page. For example, I choose health niche and its sub-niche keto snacks for losing weight. Create a page and convert that page into business page. Remember, you don't see any analytical tools until you reach 100 plus followers. Here are some niche ideas for you. There are many more, but I can't list them all. Fitness, business, food and cooking, fashion, skincare, self-improvement. One important point to note is that some niches can be blended. You can combine self-improvement and business, as many individuals on a self-improvement journey might be interested in starting a business and learning about business ideas. My niche is business and self-improvement. Here are some examples of other pages like mine. Theme page or personal brand. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, it depends on your preference. If you're not comfortable showing your face, consider creating a theme page. However, having a personal brand is often better because it builds trust with your audience. Trust leads to stronger connections with followers, which is crucial for growth and earning money on Instagram. That said, theme pages are not a bad choice. Many of them have large audiences and make a decent income, sometimes reaching 10K or more each month. Starting a theme page is easier, even though there's more competition. The challenge is gaining followers since people interact with a page, not a person. In summary, if you're okay with showing your face, go for a personal brand. If not, a theme page works too. Both approaches have their advantages. And success is possible with either one if you put in the effort and stay committed on Instagram. Step 2. Content sniping. Attention future creators, this part is crucial, so listen up. Getting started on Instagram can feel daunting for many. But it doesn't have to be that way. Within this module, I'll simplify the fundamentals of Instagram growth. Your content needs to be excellent. Go to your niche page. Go to their Reels section. Find out the top views or top reach reels in the last 9 reels. Copy the link of the reel and go to Instagram Reels Downloads website. You can find multiple websites to download this reel. Now the second part is copy the caption, but do not paste as it is, we have to do some minor changes. So, head to the ChatGPT and paste something like this. Now caption is ready. Best posting times. If you are starting from zero, then I highly recommend you to post in early morning between 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. This is golden time to reach more people. While you are posting, make sure you use the trending audio. In some cases the audio might not matches the reel, so you have to search for the similar audio and make the adjustments. Most important. 1. You have to post 3 reels per day to reach maximum audience. 2. Consistency. Success on Instagram, like any skill or endeavor, hinges on consistency. Now, let's be realistic. Achieving 100K followers in a couple of months is a rare occurrence unless you're a celebrity creating a new Instagram account. For most people, such results don't happen unless luck is on their side. Methods of monetizing. There are numerous of ways to monetize your Instagram. The possibilities are endless. Here are the 6 best ways you can get started earning an income off your social platform. Number 1. Create and sell digital products. Another way to monetize your Instagram presence is by creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, presets, or templates. Leverage your expertise or unique perspective to create valuable resources that appeal to your audience. Promote your digital products through Instagram posts, stories, and IGTV videos, and provide a seamless purchasing experience for your followers. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through unique tracking links. When your followers make a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Many brands offer affiliate programs that provide you with custom links and promotional materials to share with your audience. Choose products that align with your niche and resonate with your followers to maximize your earnings. Number 3. Sell your products or services. If you have your own products or services, Instagram can serve as a powerful platform to promote and sell them. Whether you're an artist, photographer, fashion designer, or offer consulting services, you can leverage Instagram to showcase your offerings and drive sales. Use visually appealing content and compelling captions to attract potential customers and encourage them to make a purchase. Number 4. Offer sponsored content services. Beyond sponsored posts, you can offer your expertise in creating content for other businesses or influencers. This could include photography, graphic design, copywriting, or social media management. By showcasing your skills and portfolio on Instagram, you can attract clients who are willing to pay for your services. Number 5. Create and sell digital products, sponsored posts. One of the most common ways to make money on Instagram is through sponsored posts. This involves partnering with brands or businesses to promote their products or services to your followers. Companies pay you to create content that showcases their offerings in an authentic and engaging way. The key is to maintain transparency by clearly disclosing any sponsored content to your audience. Number 6. Offer paid promotions or shout-outs. If you have a sizable and engaged following, you can charge other users or businesses for shout-outs or promotions on your Instagram account. Whether it's featuring their account in your stories, mentioning them in a post, or hosting a giveaway, businesses are often willing to pay for exposure to your audience. Instagram offers a multitude of opportunities for individuals to monetize their presence on the platform. Whether you're collaborating with brands, selling your own products, or offering services to other users, the key is to provide value to your audience while maintaining authenticity and transparency in your monetization efforts. By leveraging your creativity, expertise, and unique perspective, you can turn your Instagram account into a source of income. Bonus part. Many creators who don't show their faces are envious of me. They message me privately and threaten me because I haven't shared this secret. This method can get you to the top quickly and consistently earn you money. Now that you've learned how to gain followers and reach more people, what if I told you I've also figured out how to make money automatically? Yes, it's true. After spending countless hours and trying many methods, I finally cracked the code for making money online. Listen, I started just like you, searching on YouTube for ways to make money online. I understand if you're a student or have a 9-to-5 job. This online money method only costs 777 rupees. You might think it's cheap, but why not give it away for free? Because you learn the Instagram secrets for free too. But something is missing from your end, taking action or being lazy. When you invest in something, you take responsibility and take action. Additionally, I'm building a community. Stop making excuses and take action on what you've learned from this webinar. I'll be the happiest person if you succeed with what I'm teaching. If you're ready to enroll in the online money code, DM me on Instagram saying OMC. This coaching is live. So you can ask as many questions as you have during the class. See you there.